Next topic, eating is forbidden before Kiddush. It is forbidden for a woman to eat before Kiddush, both on Friday night and Shabbos morning. Once a woman has davened on Shabbos morning, she may not even drink water before Kiddush. Before one has davened, she may drink water, which includes coffee and tea, even with milk and sugar. I'm going to explain about milk and sugar now. Okay. So technically, as soon as a mitzvah of Kiddush arrives, so we're not allowed to eat or drink. So it's actually, we're talking about women here, but of course, as we understand, for a man, it's much stricter, right? So before, like when the time comes, right after nightfall, right, to the Kiddush, or earlier, or whatever they want to do Kiddush. So right after they accepted Shabbos upon themselves, let's make it simple, right? They have right now they have obligation, right away they have obligation to do Kiddush, right? And they're not allowed to eat or drink before they do that. But on Shabbos morning it's a little different. So even though in our Kitzur Shulchan Aruch class we said a person is not allowed to eat or drink before the davening, right? But we said if person needs to water because he's thirsty or something, yeah, there is no problem with water, and whatever is going to help him or her with concentration. Meaning what? So you need to drink some coffee or tea. So of course it's not for any other reasons, but to concentrate better on the prayer. So you allowed. So before prayers, you allowed to drink these things, and he said in parentheses even with milk and coffee, because in Shulchan Aruch said no milk, no coffee, because look, he said if you need caffeine, okay, you got it in the coffee. Well, what in sugar? Sugar, it's like you already start enjoying, and if you add milk, you enjoy even more. So that's not the purpose. If you say you need the caffeine, okay, that's you can get caffeine. Why you ask for all of the luxuries, basically? But later authorities, they say, Mishnah Brura comments also, so they say, okay, if person cannot drink coffee without sugar, like, or without milk, so let him drink with the milk and sugar, and before davening. Okay, continue. Right, but after a woman finished davening, so as we said, men have like specific time, right? So he goes to shul or he davens at home, or whatever times, like as early as possible. Woman is not like bound by time, so she can do it a little later. There is no problem. She can start preparing for a meal, this and that, and only after that she can daven. There is no problem. There is no problem whatsoever. But so before she davens, she can eat, but after she davens, she cannot eat or drink until after Kiddush. Same halakha with men. Okay, one must keep this in mind. Even eating at the Kiddush in shul or in someone's home, the requirements of Kiddush b'makom seudah requires food that qualify as seudah. One who eats foods that does not qualify as seudah has eaten before fulfilling the mitzvah of Kiddush. One who wants to eat at Kiddush must be sure to eat kizayis or mizonos food, a quality of seudah. So let's try to understand. So it's very, very important point, and I think many people missing this point. Very interesting. So one more time. One must keep in mind when eating at Kiddush in a shul or in someone's home, right? That you are what keep in mind what that you're forbidden to eat or drink before you say Kiddush, right? And Kiddush is only when you drink this grape wine or grape juice or whatever you drank, and you ate bread or you ate mizonos. So if you did not eat bread or or mizoines, for example, you ate salad, that you ate fish, whatever you ate, you meat, right? Whatever you ate, so it's not considered to be meal. That's very interesting, right? So so this meal, right? This chicken, whatever a person is eating chicken, so it's considered like as he eats before Kiddush. So this Kiddush, whatever he did over the cup of wine, it's not counted as a Kiddush. That's very interesting. So it says, so let me read. The requirement of Kiddush b'makom seudah, so Kiddush in a place where you're going to eat, requires food as qualified as seudah. So not every food, as we just said, qualifies seudah. It's not. One who eats food that does not qualify as seudah has eaten before fulfilling the mitzvah of Kiddush. That's it. So it's so you think you're doing a great mitzvah to eating your chicken? Actually not. Actually, this chicken is forbidden to eat. Right? So, right, one who wants to eat Kiddush must be sure to eat kizayas of mizoines food that qualified as seudah. So meaning this cookie or cakes or whatever we eat. So, but of course, it's proper to eat bread. That's the most like proper way of doing the mitzvah. Not cookies, not cakes. Okay. Continue. Any questions on what we said? Okay. So if not, continue. So next topic. So we continue with Shabbos, of course. So Shabbos day meal.